Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Few months back, I made a video on how to run Windows on iPhone, but some people struggled to install it. So in today's video, I will show you how to run Windows on iPhone or iPad and fix all errors. First of all, you need to download UTM IPA file from their GitHub page. I will put the download link in the description. Simply download the UTM IPA. Now install the UTM IPA file. You can use Siteloadly via PC, or you can use TrollStore to install it as well. In this video, I will install it via TrollStore. Simply open the TrollStore app, and then hit the plus button, and then choose the UTM IPA, and then install to install the UTM. Now we need to download the Windows iOS file. I will put the file link in the description as well. It's Windows 7 Ultimate iOS file. Simply download it with the provided link. Now go to UTM official page. Then scroll down at bottom of the page and then hit on UTM for iOS. Now hit on Gallery. Then scroll down and hit on Windows 7. Now just hit on Download to download the Windows 7 UTM.zip file. Now we are done with downloads. Now go to your downloads and then unzip the Windows 7 UTM. After unzip, then you will get Windows 7.utm file there. Now hold that file and hit the share option and then choose the UTM to open Windows 7.utm file via UTM app. Now hit on UTM on corner. Now hit on Share Directory and select the directory you want to share. Now hit on CD, DVD, and then choose the downloaded Windows 7 Ultimate iOS file. That's it. Our setup is ready now. Simply hit play to run the Windows 7. But some people stuck here, and their Windows setup don't appear, so let us fix it. Just close the UTM app. Now open the TrollStore. Then hit on UTM, and then choose Open it with JIT. Now in UTM, hit on Windows 7. Now hit on the settings. Now in the settings, we need to disable the UEFI boot in the QEMU settings. Now go back and save the settings. That's it. Now simply hit the play button to run the Windows 7. As you can see, Windows is loading files now without any error. This video I made it for Windows 7 Ultimate. Hopefully in my next video, I will try to run the Windows 10 and Windows 11 on UTM and see how good it works on iPhone or iPad. Just make sure the setup will take time to load the Windows on UTM. It all depends what phone or iPad are you using. The latest models iPad and iPhone can run them very fast. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.